Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today I have XRP Ripple update. Let's see what we'll do if we've bottomed out, what is the future, what's the possible price prediction. If you want to invest in your time and you don't have the time to do a technical analysis throughout this video, then I suggest you to go to the XRP price analysis, price prediction I have on the timestamps. But if you want to stay with me, you will learn many things. And of course, I would love to if you can hit the like button and subscribe, guys. Thank you so much for your support. This is a new channel. Thanks again. So right now we are having this for XRP 0.90 to 92 cents, 1.06 in USDT valuation, guys. And of course, this support level 76 and a bit lower for now. We've made, it seems like we might make 85 cents as our support level again. Let's see what it will do. And of course, right now these are our major resistance levels. I've drawn the Fibonacci retracement starting from this top right here, ending up to this bottom right here. It has to be a little more down. Here we go, guys. Now it is better because I wanted to find resistance, major resistance and support levels here. I want to find personally major resistance levels because I expected Bitcoin to have a swing high, and now we are having the next resistance level. The next possible resistance levels are the 90 cents, around there, 90 to 94. As you can see here, it was support line, it was resistance line, and back in the day many times it was a support line. So eventually this is a very important and strong resistance line for now. But I believe if we see a very good swing high from Bitcoin, then I think we will be able to even reach the 1.05. Let's go for the short term and of course the MACD price analysis. I wanted to talk about MACD because on the 4-hour frame we care about, of course, the bullish cross here, but we don't care for the bullish cross as much as we care, guys, about having higher lows and higher highs. So we need for the 4-hour frame on the trading view to have this in order to say that we are going upwards. If we have this bullish cross and we don't have the distance needed, then we might go downwards. So we need these guys for sure. Okay, we need higher lows and higher highs, because eventually we might have a moment where we have the bullish cross right here, we didn't get the distance needed, then we went downwards again. Okay, so we need something like let's say, for example, something like this. Okay, something like this, when we had higher highs and higher lows. Eventually we need to form a bullish pattern here for XRP. Let's go now to the SSL channel. You can see here the green line is above the red line, so we have a buying opportunity. However, we are below the 20-day MA. That can change, guys. And of course, for the RSI, what I liked here about XRP is the way that we moved above this resistance level. Now what I want to see is something like this. Even if we drop down a little, that's okay. I want to see higher highs, higher lows for the RSI. For the commodity channel index, guys, the same. I didn't want to see low highs. For example, we stop right here and then we are going downwards. I want to say the opposite. Now we managed to break some important resistance levels, but we have some way in our go in order to say that we will be going upwards and we will be having higher lows, higher highs. I will explain right after, in the next few minutes, what will happen, guys. Let's go now to the Bollinger Bands. And the reason I always have the Bollinger Bands in my technical analysis is because they show us the volatility, they show us the risk, they are showing us buying opportunities, squeeze points, everything, guys. If you're experienced in the daily frame, then you can see them, then you can actually see when to buy. Of course, this doesn't happen when we are having a very bearish scenario, okay, like we did back in the days when we had the correction, guys, on 19th May of Bitcoins correcting so much in such a short term. Then we went extending the bottom line of the Bollinger Bands. When we are doing this, however, we are having a buying opportunity. But when we are having a very much of consolidation, you can see that even though we were overextended from the Bollinger Bands here, we were going all the way down. Now what we want is to shift the momentum and go upwards as well. For the daily frame, you can see for the commodity channel index, guys, for the commodity channel index, we are below minus 135. We are below minus 100. We have a buying opportunity around this area. Usually we have it, especially if Bitcoin has a swing high. Yes, this is a good buying opportunity, guys, for XRP. Okay. So right here, the RSI didn't approach the 30, but it's okay. Sometimes it just goes upwards. It just goes upwards before it can go to the 30. Same here for the commodity channel index. Commodity channel index, though, is more sensitive to the price. That's why I always trust it more on the very short term. RSI is more stable. I trust it more on the mid term. Okay, so right now for the MACD, what we want to see here is a bullish recross on the daily frame. As long as we don't see that, then we won't be actually seeing higher highs and higher lows and eventually go to the previous highs. For XRP, we are still bearish. However, we on the XRP against Bitcoin chart are looking to go even further above. We are looking to outperform Bitcoin. Eventually, right now, as we progress through, we don't see it going. Okay, we are seeing in the short term XRP underperforming against Bitcoin. And of course, right here you can see multiple times that we were down from minus 100, but we didn't have a buying opportunity because we were having such a low highs that it was impossible to have a profit target at around 5 to 10%, because on the 4-hour frame we go to the profit target 5 to 10% if we go down on the commodity channel index beyond the minus 100, this bottom line beyond the gray zone. So right here we want to see going upwards. We want to eventually go upwards for the commodity channel index on the 4-hour frame, because if I go to the XRP against Bitcoin in the daily frame, we haven't lost our position yet, guys. We haven't lost our position because the 20-day EMA is still above the 50-day EMA, as you can see here for XRP, and we are still above the 200 EMA. Though we have to see higher highs for the daily frame. We can't actually go like that, because even if we do that, then this would mean a further drop for XRP against Bitcoin. I remind you this is against Bitcoin, and of course now we are below minus 100 for the daily frame for the commodity channel index. Therefore, it is very possible to see RSI going a little bit upwards now. On the daily frame for XRP against Bitcoin, we haven't lost our position yet. On the weekly frame, guys, I wanted so much to see this cross. I want to see this bullish cross match. If this happens on the weekly frame for XRP, if the 20-day EMA goes above the 50-day EMA, then XRP will explode against Bitcoin. Okay, so for now, let's go to the XRP against USDT in the price analysis. And right now, I believe personally, I will go firstly to the Bitcoin to tell you what I was talking about. Right now, as it seems likely, guys, this has been what I'm talking about in the previous videos. We might have made the 20-day EMA. It is very, very possible to make the 20-day EMA as our support level right now. All in previous times, it was our resistance level. Now we went surpassing the 20-day EMA, and now we are forming a bullish pattern where maybe Bitcoin will go and retest the 39,000 USDT around there, but I think it will retest the 41,000 USDT as well, and we will see afterwards how much higher can we go, because guys, on the daily frame there is not a single time that Bitcoin dropped below 30 in the RSI and didn't go upwards in the next days. Okay, so a swing high is very possible for Bitcoin. It is very possible. If I show you here, it is very possible to see a swing high. That doesn't mean though, even if we see a swing high, doesn't mean that we will be going upwards. Eventually we might crumble further more. So this is a sign of relief. However, I want you to be careful, but that means a sign of relief for XRP as well. I believe that XRP will retest this area right here, 90 to 94 cents around there, guys. And of course, as long as we make this support level, then we have the 1.06. So eventually, if Bitcoin goes upward and has this swing high that we expect, then XRP will go upwards as well, breaking the 94, then retesting the 1.06. A very, very important resistance line here, guys, because you can see how many times it was support resistance level back here, support resistance level back here, support level here, guys, on 20th May. So it is very, very important to see. It is a very, very important resistance line. So we can actually manage to go to 1.06. However, we need to see Bitcoin going upwards, and I think we will have this swing high we were always talking about in the videos. So I believe XRP will do something like this, and then if Bitcoin corrects, then we might go even further down. So this is a sign of relief. However, we have multiple targets to break, and for Bitcoin, in order to see it going bullish again, returning to the bullish cycle, we need patience, because patience is the key for success in the cryptocurrency market. You know, that's my motto, guys. Patience is the key for success in the cryptocurrency market. Having a buying strategy, an exit strategy, and of course having discipline. So right here, I believe Bitcoin will go upwards, but the bull cycle is still there. Even if we go and have a swing low, guys, bull cycle isn't over yet. So patience, patience, and again, many times I will tell this. I know I'm being tired to hear me out saying again this word, but it is so important, guys. If you can understand how important it is, then you will actually understand and eventually then start making profits. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.